On this episode, okay, Boomer.
It's every day, bro.
What is every day, bro?
I don't know.
You never seen every day?
I don't get it.
It's every day, bro.
I said to say.
Okay.
Hail to the chief.
We've done a lot of Trump impersonations this video. We might get banned.
Everybody's been talking about my soft t-shirts. Nobody does soft t-shirts better than I do.
That's true. Thanks to Daryl.
V12 asks the tough questions.
Hey, Internet, should we straight pipe the Bentley? Yes. Your answer is yes. If it's not, whoa.
And we open a new store.
Hey, guys. We're going to go drive our Bentley through the mall. You want to come with us? Well, hello. The lighting is horrible here because only the emergency lights are on. And we're super dirty, but I got some really cool news for all of y'all. First of all, you may have seen on Instagram and Facebook and whatever that we're building a store. That's because we are at the Provo Towne Centre Mall. And also, you may have seen the other interesting surprise thing that we did called the Bentley Continental GTC. Not for Crips, but for convertible. It's awesome. It only has 4,000 miles on it. Can you believe that? I can't believe it. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and I want you to meet our new friend. He's not my new friend because he's been my friend forever and my neighbor and in multiple states. But he is going to be your new friend and you're going to like him because I like him and you like me and I like you. And his name's Craig, and let's go find him, see what he's doing. Oh, Craig, he's asleep on the job. What's up, dude?
What? What are you doing? You filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh.
You look like you were dreaming.
Yep. Having a dream about you.
What were you dreaming about?
Success. I wasn't
Success?
dreaming. I was dreaming about success. You didn't catch me sleeping. I was dreaming about success. Entrepreneurship.
You don't have to stand up.
No.
Because I'm going to sit down. I had a dream once, dude. I had a dream that we opened a store in the mall and then we had a Bentley.
Yeah?
Am I dreaming?
No.
No, that's real life.
That's real.
That is real life. So anyway,
Still groggy.
on this episode of, well, we don't have any ferns. So what should we call it?
Between two Ferraris. Except we also don't have any Ferraris.
Yeah. How about,
Behind one Bentley.
yeah, behind one Bentley. Adjacent to a Bentley.
Beside one Bentley.
Yeah. I think adjacent to a Bentley.
Yeah. What's some of your goals in entrepreneurship?
As an entrepreneur, my main goal is to drive a super luxury car through the mall during hours of
Can
operation.
we do that?
You know what? I think we can.
You can't do that.
I think we should do that.
Let's do it.
Do you have your key?
I do.
You do good because mine's in the back.
I have my key.
I went back twice to get it and I forgot.
What? Can I be Six Eyes?
Sure, but I get to drive first
Okay.
and then you can drive back.
It's bright in here, so I get to wear my Six
Yeah.
Eyes. Only
All right,
when
let's try to do this. Transitional, easy peasy. Okay, you know what? Give me that key.
I want to show the key.
No, I know. I'm gonna trade you this. I'll trade you this for this camera.
Okay.
Straight up. Let's just take a moment to acknowledge what's happening right now. I'm gonna start the Bentley in the store. Not just at Bentley, our Bentley. This is our car. People haven't been believing me, but believe me. Believe me. This is our car. Of all the Bentleys I've had, this is the best, believe me. I'm gonna start it. Put the top down.
Everybody's been talking about all my Bentleys.
I thought your name was behind one Bentley. So this is your only Bentley.
This is the only Bentley.
Why you gotta be technical?
We don't talk about our
I
other.
thought you didn't want to be in the video.
We don't
Well,
talk
I'm
about.
not in the video. It's just my voice that's in the video.
We don't
true.
talk about our other non-existing Bentleys.
Nobody knows who you are.
Okay. You
Okay.
back up. I'll guide you.
Well, I gotta remember.
What?
I gotta remember how to put the top down.
Push the button and hold.
Push,
Hold.
push, and hold.
Yes.
I feel so much joy and happiness right now. If you guys don't have a Bentley, you should get one. Look at this interior.
If you don't have a Bentley, you are wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, back up. I'll let you know.
4 or 5 feet. Emergency brake off. Put it into R mode. That's for racing.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. That's good.
Be a Craig, it's okay. We'll forgive you.
Oh, I have no problem getting Craig.
Oh, you got plenty of room. Go ahead.
All right, sport mode. Okay.
Every day.
There's children.
It's every day. Hey, can you say it's every day, bro?
Roxy. Every day, bro.
No. It's every day, bro.
It's every day, bro.
What is every day, bro?
I don't know.
You never seen
I
every
don't
day?
get it.
It's every day, bro.
I'm just saying what you said to say.
Okay, it's every day, bro.
It's every day, bro.
I'll educate you later. It's every day, bro.
Hey, there's some fans.
Hey, we have some fans here. Don't hit the candy. He almost hit the candy.
I didn't almost hit the candy.
Driving forward, looking backward.
You know what? It beeps and it tells me where to go. Don't be in the video. Literally nothing is stopping you.
Nothing is stopping you. Oh!
Hey, check out our friend here.
Video bomb. Jump in, get a ride. People are hitchhiking.
Oh, do I get it?
You're not gonna ever have another chance to ride in a Bentley, dude. Might as well.
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Brecken.
Brecken. This is our friend Brecken.
Go, dude.
What's up?
We've known him
Famous.
for years.
For years.
known him
Isn't
forever.
that movie Josie and the Pussycats? Hey, some more fans. Nice.
Oh, here's some more people who are extremely shocked.
Let's go, Bentley.
Dude, if I hit you, I'm sorry. I'm not even paying attention.
If the camera falls, I backed up and fell over something.
Don't drop the camera.
No, it wasn't me dropping the camera, it was me dropping myself.
There's a lot of style in Provo.
Where are we? What mall is this?
Provo Towne Centre Mall.
Oh my
Follow
goodness.
them. Thanks, Lori. Thanks, Scott. Thanks, Mark.
Oh, up, stop. This is where we pick up our first hitchhiker.
Our
Second
friend-
hitchhiker, sorry. Candy store was first hitchhiker.
My friend works there.
Oh, yeah. I know that guy.
She does. All right.
Okay, we're gonna rip around in a circle right here.
Okay.
Put it in neutral, then drop. All right, here's our other fans coming to support us. Oh my gosh. It's so close.
Hey, that was kind of close.
That was really close, dude. My heart was jumping right there. Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You can paint it. Don't we have an e-brake on there? Come this way. Come wider. Come wider. There you go. Oh.
Follow us, V12 Lifestyle on YouTube. Tag us,
V12 Lifestyle.
V12, tag us. Woo. Tag us, V12 Lifestyle.
Woo!
That guy needs a beard.
Oh, there's our other fans.
Represent
That's right.
the band's jacket.
Ow! Just kidding.
Like I care about you.
That's funny.
All right, see ya. I'm gonna trade you for Craig at Aeropostale.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, dude, it's good to see you again, friend.
Drop your name again.
Tag us.
Brecken.
Where should they
There you
follow
go.
you? Anywhere? Everywhere? Okay, cool.
Oh, he doesn't care about it.
See you guys. Have a good day.
Oh, what is this? What do we have
Give me
here?
that thing.
Give me that.
Bro. This is literally our life
the
right
new
now.
kids say burr.
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 Nah, it's not gonna work for me.
Burr.
It's not gonna work for me.
Oh, my back feels better.
Oh, that's because Bentley seats are better.
Burr, my back feels better, burr.
All right, dude. Okay. Paul, it was nice seeing you again. That's not his name, but
Go around the escalators one time.
I don't think I can fit. I tried last time. I couldn't fit. Okay, but I will do this. I'm gonna go over here. Do the old Austin Powers.
During working hours.
During working hours. Thank you, Provo Towne Centre Mall. Hey, if you guys want to see more of this, and if you want to see the actual donuts at the mall, follow us. Subscribe V12 Lifestyle on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and
TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok is Craig V12 Lifestyle.
Yeah, and right now mine is V12 Lifestyle, but I got in trouble and banned or something, so it will be Zach V12 Lifestyle. Anyway, follow us everywhere. What? V12 Lifestyle, bro.
V12.
Yeah,
V12.
V12. V12
People.
Lifestyle.
People.
See ya. Thanks for coming. Okay. Think I can get back in there? Ezra, are we good? There's our store back there. Yeah, let's get a good shot of the store. Hey.
All right, back him up.
Hold on. I gotta give myself a shout out. Don't forget, go follow us. That's our store. You're too close.
Get the shirt.
Pretty soon it'll say V12 Lifestyle right there.
Get the shirt.
Yeah, get the Fredman while it lasts. Stradman likes it.
Everybody likes it.
Therefore,
They're
you should
so
like
soft.
it. Believe me. We've done a lot of Trump impersonations this video. We might get banned.
Everybody's been talking about my soft t-shirts. Nobody does soft t-shirts better than I do.
That's true. Thanks to Daryl. Okay. I'm gonna back into the store. I'm not gonna look where I'm going. I'm only gonna look in the camera.
That's really smart, dude.
Yeah.
great
That's
idea.
exactly what I'm gonna do. So you gotta tell me what to do. I can only see the camera.
Yeah. Do what you're doing.
Okay.
Straight.
Straight.
Okay. Keep coming straight. Straight, and then cut it. Start cutting it now.
Cut it to the mountain. Work. Ezra, how's this?
Good.
Good?
On.
Tell the people again what they should do.
Subscribe.
To what?
V12.
Yeah, V12 Lifestyle. Subscribe. You heard it.
Subscribe at V12 Lifestyle.
How far back should I go?
A little bit more.
Now the camera, that people can see that I'm really not looking where I'm going.
Okay, that's good.
Hey, internet, should we straight pipe the Bentley? Yes, your answer is yes. If it's not, whoa.
This thing's got some balls.
Did you hear that?
Is this
Go
thing a
back there.
Is this thing a V12?
Yeah, it's technically a W12.
Oh.
Wow. Oh, Craig. Okay.
You hear them turbos?
Yeah. It sounds way better than I thought. Maybe we should keep the exhaust stock. That's the worst thing I've ever said. One more time, go back there. You know what that means when it's straight piped though? That's fire. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. But thanks for joining us in the Bentley, in the mall, Provo Towne Centre, where we're gonna open our new store, V12 Lifestyle. It's gonna have a giant, beautiful store here, and we have some really crazy stuff in the works with our friends, Stradman and Clayton from Summit Life, and drag racing and donuts in the mall. I'm just saying, hypothetically, Okay, hypothetically. So, goodbye. Hey, don't forget, like us and share. Share the videos, share the posts. Tell your friends to follow V12 Lifestyle. You have friends, I know you do. Tell them to follow us. If you like it, they'll like it. And I like you. So share it. Like us and share, please. Facebook everywhere. Like us and share, please. And see what happens next.